crash tests on electric vehicles, and the comparison between reality and what the computer says. Follow me, if you will, as we visit the Impact Crash Test Labs over at Tesla, where they are testing and reaching the highest qualifications of any vehicle with their Model 3. If we had to base all of our improvements on smashing every car and fixing the faults based on where they failed, the cost in time and money would be astronomical because of the sheer amount of parts that would need testing. But we've come to a symbiotic result between what happens on the computer and what is found in a crash test, teaching engineers on the base of the real test and comparing with the computers as they adjust the program to match what is seen in real life. And that process is convergent. What I mean is, each time they tweak the program, there is less they have to fix until they get to the point where what they see on the computer relates to what they see in reality. Obviously, to validate this process, they need to crash a car, or two, or three, but it's better than having to smash 100 or 150. There's a difference. In EVs, there occurs an interesting phenomenon. Because it is an electric motor that drives it and has less parts and it's smaller, it allows the car to have different systems in place in the front for crumpling and deformation, which allows it to absorb way more energy from an impact than usual, allowing less energy to be absorbed by the driver. These deformation and crumple zones absorb the energy that would otherwise be sent to the driver. Add to that the rigidity and strength that is added to the floor of the car because of the battery placement, which would be very hard to replicate in a conventional car. That bottom rigidity and the front deformation give the Tesla the highest rating ever achieved in a standard crash test. So, the distribution of all the parts that make an electric car contribute enormously to the safety of its occupants.